Welcome back to this first video on the additional rules we use for higher probability. So this one is going to be regarding when price breaks into wicks. And I'll explain what I mean by that now, just on the chart. So this is gold. We've got clearly price has pushed up here and formed a structural high because price pushed up and has come back down with consecutive candles, meaning this is a high. On the next candle, price is attempting to break this high. As we know with structure, for price to break the high and form a structural break, a candle needs to close above the wicks of the high as well, meaning this candle is currently not a break of structure because it's only broken the line. It has not broken the wicks too. But where most traders often get confused is they'll see this next candle and assume that price has broken structure now because this candle clearly closes above the wicks of structure. However, during the breakout, when price was attempting to break the wicks of structure, price formed new wicks. And on the next candle, it then fails to break that wick again. In this instance, this is not a breakout for us. This is essentially what we would class as a fake out in our strategy, where until price has broken any wicks formed, of course, on the structural high, but also formed during the breakout too, it's not a valid break for us. If price has formed a candle that closes, say, higher up like this, it's not going to draw because I've got the lock on. Say it closes higher, clearly above this wick as well. Perfect. That is a valid break. But until then, it's not. And the reason for that is, as I said, it's not showing that price is breaking. Same here. Price has attempted to break higher, but again, has failed to close above the wicks, including the wick formed here. Price is therefore breaking into wicks, as we say, which for us is not a valid breakout until price breaks and closes past all wicks. That means the wicks of the high and any wicks formed on the breakout. We need a clear candle close above this wick and above any of these wicks now. As you'll see, this doesn't happen, and instead price crashes back down, which shows us exactly why we have this rule, because it is not a proper breakout until we see that happen. So this is perhaps the most important of all these additional rules. Make sure you know it and understand it, and I'll see you in the next video with the next additional rule.